Looking to make your home smarter, cooler, and way more fun? These are the coolest Amazon home gadgets every millennial secretly needs. From smart upgrades to aesthetic must-haves, they'll level up your space instantly. All the links are waiting in the description below. Bring a slice of the ocean right into your room with this unique illuminated aquarium. A bed of glowing blue glass gravel gives it a mesmerizing underwater look, perfect for relaxing after a long day. The built-in lighting enhances every ripple and reflection, making your fish look like stars in motion. Mealtime becomes stress-free with this smart automatic cat feeder. It not only dispenses food on schedule, but also lets you watch your pets with a built-in HD camera and night vision. Dual trays make it perfect for multi-pet households, so no one gets left out. You can even talk to your pets through two-way audio or record a meal call. With app control and smart alerts, you'll never worry about missed feedings again. Feeding time just got a whole lot easier and tidier. This silicone baby spoon doubles as a food dispenser, so you can squeeze just the right amount straight onto the spoon. No bowls, no mess. The suction base keeps it upright on any table, and the leak-proof lid means it's perfect for travel. BPA-free and soft on gums, it's gentle where it matters most. Movie nights just got a whole lot cooler. These LED backlights sync with whatever's on your screen, wrapping your TV in glowing colors that spill out into your room. Dual cameras make sure the effect is spot on, so every scene feels more immersive. You can control everything with an app, switch modes, change colors, or let it dance to your music. It's like turning your living room into a private theater. Too many gadgets? Not enough outlets? This tower power strip turns one plug into a full charging station. With 16 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and 2 USB-C ports, you can power up to 21 devices at once. The vertical design saves space and keeps cords neat instead of tangled across the floor. Built-in surge and overload protection keep everything safe. Perfect for dorms, offices, or any tech-heavy setup. Turn your phone snaps into real keepsakes in seconds. This instant photo printer connects wirelessly, docks your phone, and even charges it while printing. The 4-layer process makes each picture vibrant, fingerprint-proof, and water-resistant, so they last for years. Choose borderless photos for a clean look, or bordered ones for jotting down memories. With a full bundle of sheets included, you're ready to start printing right away. Tired of bulky plugs blocking half your outlets? This surge protector solves the problem with rotating outlets that swivel to fit even the largest adapters. It also has built-in cable management, so cords stay neat instead of turning into a tangled mess. With heavy-duty surge protection and a slim, flat plug, it keeps your electronics safe while making your setup look cleaner and more organized. Taking notes just got a serious upgrade. This AI-powered tablet doesn't just capture your handwriting, it can turn speech into text in real time and even summarize entire meetings for you. The pressure-sensitive stylus gives a natural, paper-like feel while supporting multiple pen styles for sketching or note-taking. With support for dozens of languages, it's perfect for global use. Why rely on a generic forecast when you can have your own weather station at home? This smart system tracks temperature, humidity, wind, and rain in real time with no moving parts to wear down. The full-color display gives you instant updates every few seconds. You can even connect it to your smart home, triggering alerts or automations based on conditions. Stay ahead of the storm with accurate, hyper-local data right at your fingertips. Cool comfort meets modern tech. This 8-blade ceiling fan keeps air flowing smoothly indoors or outdoors, and its silent motor makes it almost unnoticeable, except for how good it feels. You can control it with the remote, your phone, or even your voice through smart assistants. The built-in LED light creates a warm glow that transforms any space. Sleek, efficient, and powerful. It's more than a fan. It's an upgrade to your whole room. This speaker doesn't just play sound, it throws you right into the game. With 3D surround audio, every footstep and explosion feels like it's happening right next to you. The wireless bass subwoofer adds that deep, punchy boom you can feel. Bluetooth 5.0 keeps your connection stable, and the built-in mic makes it perfect for gaming chats. And those RGB lights? They turn your setup into a full-on light show. This table does more than hold your lamp, it powers your entire night. With built-in wireless charging and USB ports, you can juice up your phone while you sleep. No cords needed. The soft-touch LED lights set the perfect bedtime vibe with adjustable colors and brightness. Its round design, gold finish, and glass top add instant style. Ideal for small spaces, it's smart, sleek, and seriously useful. Snacking and sipping just leveled up. This clever snack bowl sits right on top of your tumbler so you can munch and drink with one hand. Perfect for movies, road trips, or game day. It's got 4 compartments for all your favorites. Chips, candy, nuts, you name it. Just snap it into place and you're good to go. Lightweight, flexible, and made for fun on the move. Waffles just got a serious glow up. This gadget doesn't make ordinary waffles, it creates waffle bowls you can actually fill. Pour in your batter, close the lid, and in minutes, you've got the perfect crispy shell for fruit, ice cream, eggs, or even chicken. No special mix needed. Store-bought or homemade both work. It's non-stick, easy to clean, and turns every meal into a fun little edible masterpiece. Motion sickness ruining your ride? These glasses flip the script, no lenses, just science. Each ring is filled with liquid that shifts as you move, helping your eyes and inner ear sync up. It creates a fake horizon in your vision, which tricks your brain and eases that dizzy feeling. No pills, no side effects, just natural relief in about 10 minutes. Ideal for cars, planes, boats, you name it. This litter box practically cleans itself, because it does. The moment your cat finishes, it sifts the clumps and seals the waste away. No scooping needed. It's whisper quiet, with sensors that keep your kitty safe and relaxed. The app tracks visits and even monitors your cat's weight, so you're always in the loop. You can even start a cleaning cycle with your voice. It's smart, clean, and stress-free. Say goodbye to endless ice packs and heating pads. This smart knee wrap gives you both heat and cold therapy in one sleek design. Switch from soothing warmth to refreshing cool with the push of a button, easing pain, swelling, and stiffness fast. It straps on comfortably and moves with you, so you're not stuck sitting down. No cords, no mess, just instant relief whenever you need it. Imagine sitting at your desk and actually feeling relaxed instead of stiff. That's what this heated footrest delivers. It cradles your feet with soft memory foam while gently warming them. And if you need a boost, switch on the vibration massage for instant relief. With adjustable height and a removable cover, it's practical year-round, whether you're working, gaming, or just unwinding. Ever see a color you love and wish you could capture it? This pocket-sized scanner lets you do just that. Just place it on any flat surface, and it instantly finds the closest paint match and even gives you digital color codes. You can compare shades, save your favorites, and share them right from your phone. It's like carrying a full paint store in your pocket. This trash can doesn't just sit there, it works smarter. With a built-in compactor, it squashes your waste down so you can fit up to 3 times more before taking it out. That means fewer trips and fewer bags. The odor filter keeps things fresh, and the design makes sure your hands never touch the mess. It's sleek, stainless, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Stirring with a spoon? That's old news. This self-stirring mug mixes your coffee, milk, or protein shake at the push of a button. No effort needed. The high-speed motor blends everything evenly, while the lid keeps spills in check. Made from heat-resistant glass, it handles hot or cold drinks with ease. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries and let it do the work. It's your lazy morning's best friend. Keep your home one step ahead with this smart motion detector. It spots movement instantly and alerts you through your connected system. The wide-angle lens covers a big area, while the stand lets you adjust the angle just the way you want. You can even set how quickly it resets between detections. With a long-lasting battery, it works quietly in the background, keeping your space safe without the hassle. Washing your hands just got an upgrade. This smart soap dispenser gives you touchless foam in just a quarter of a second, keeping things clean and effortless. The rechargeable battery lasts for months, and the LCD screen even shows the time and battery level. You can adjust how much soap it dispenses, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. Sleek, modern, and hygienic, it's a must-have for any sink. Cold mornings don't stand a chance against this compact wall outlet heater. Just plug it in, and you've got instant warmth right where you need it. No bulky unit taking up floor space. The digital thermostat lets you set the exact temperature, and it cycles on and off to keep things steady. A built-in timer adds convenience, and the quiet operation makes it perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or home offices. Drying clothes doesn't have to take up space. This double-line retractable clothesline stretches out when you need it and disappears when you don't. Each stainless steel line holds serious weight, so go ahead and hang those towels and jeans. It's perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or even hotels. Just pull, clip, and let it do its thing. No clutter, no hassle. Lifting heavy doors, cabinets, or panels doesn't have to be back-breaking work. This clever labor-saving jack gives you precise height control with just a squeeze of the handle. Strong steel construction means it can hold serious weight while still being compact enough to carry anywhere. From installing tiles and windows to clamping boards for woodworking, this little tool takes on big jobs with ease. Sometimes cleaning sprays just aren't enough. This UV lamp uses powerful ultraviolet light to kill up to 99% of germs, bacteria, and mold in minutes. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space that needs a deeper clean. It works without harsh chemicals. A built-in timer keeps you safe and simple. Compact and portable, it's an easy way to keep your environment healthier every day. Imagine your blinds adjusting themselves with the sunlight. This smart tilt motor clips right onto your existing blinds, turning them into automatic ones in minutes. A built-in solar panel keeps it powered endlessly, so you never have to recharge. You can set timers, use the app, or even control them with your voice when paired with a hub. Smooth, precise movement keeps your room perfectly lit all day long.